Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami uBungenkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. Today we're going to discuss about three players of which I believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs they want to recruit two of them. But there's also another player that I believe ukuthi if Kaizer Chiefs might put their focus on, they might also have a good player in him. But ngaphambi kokuthi siqale cela ningisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awaka subscribe. Kodwa maso subscribe danko kaningi. These players are Ibrahim Banse, Grant Mahaman and Isaac Cisse. Kodwa soqala with Grant Mahaman. Grant Mahaman, to many sources, it is believed that the Kaizer Chiefs has secured him because they've made him sign a pre-contract with them. And we know Guti is becoming a free agent come June 8:30, and then it simply means Guti. A pre-contract simply means Guti he can be liable. Not liable, but it simply means Guti he's going to that club. And the Kaizer Chiefs as a club that I believe they are always patient when it comes to how they recruit players. And we've seen it with Thabo Moloisane. And Utu Grant Mahaman, I believe Uti, his profile is the kind of a player that is exactly like Yusuf Mar. A box to box. A player that has energy. You're looking at a player like Uspesi Ndlovu also. They have the same profile. Have stamina, hard markers, hard tacklers, and also they are technically good. And that simply means Guti, he's not a foreigner, so it won't be that difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to secure his signing. And also that he is a free agent. It simply means Guti, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to bolster their squad. And Grant Mahaman, we cannot say Guti is a bad player, but it's a player that obviously looking at his future at Chiefs, it will depend whether he works hard or it depends whether the coming coach will use him more often, because we know we have a pool of players playing in the midfield. And Kaizer Chiefs bolstering their squad, they are preparing for the next season. As we know, Guti, Kaizer Chiefs will be competing in all 5 competitions that needs to be competed for. And I believe Uguti, there are players that might live in Kaizer Chiefs, and obviously they will make space for players like Grant Mahaman. And also we have a player Usamgelo Zwane, which I believe Uguti will return back to Naturena. Ilonia Kia Pela with Iswelele. So that simply means Guti, Chiefs are trying by all means to show Guti they have depth, but that depth, is it the depth that will allow them to compete, or is just the addition of players? That's the real question. But the focus in this video is not on Mahaman. Mahaman is a reference whereby which I'm making with okay in these 3 players I've mentioned, is that is also included. But the 2 players that I believe Guti, Kaizer Chiefs should be looking forward to sign, you know Guti, they are after the signature of Isaac Cisse from the Golden Arrows. And there's a lot of competition for Isaac Cisse. And we know Guti, this season he played a total of 27 games, managed to score 5 goals. Just imagine, as a defensive midfielder. And this is a dream signing for Kaizer Chiefs. But for them not to be disappointed, even if it happens that they don't get him, because we know what they are competing with Orlando Pirates, SC Charleroi from Belgium. It simply means Guti, don't be that easy. But Kaizer Chiefs, it is believed Guti now, but they want him. So it will depend Guti, will Kaizer Chiefs edge the other teams that are willing to sign him, because there's also offers from Abu Saudi Arabia, So you know ukuthi now it's no longer about a player that is in demand because other teams are willing to use him, but it's all about others flexing their financial muscle. And as a player, if you have to choose between offers, you look at the one that looks appealing, and also you look at the fact that when as a player, what do you want to achieve individually, and you look at that team, kuti, does it align with your ambition? And also agents are the one also that influences our players in terms of decision making when it comes to choosing a team. So Kaizer Chiefs, I believe ukuthi they might not be an ideal team that an agent would like to sell his player to. But for Chiefs not to feel the pressure of disappointing their fans, I believe ukuthi there's an alternative. There's Ibrahim Barnes from Marumo Gallants, and he is a foreigner, number one. He's from Burkina Faso. He's 25 years old, simply means good. The future looks bright. But what captured my attention to him is the fact that he is a player that is versatile, can play as a defensive midfielder, can play as a central midfielder. He is very comfortable on the board. He can control and dictate the tempo. And for a team that wants to play a transitional football that is mixed with a positional and a direct football, in the middle of the park, you need a player that can give you that. Because I believe that also Ulebohang Maboy is a player that is good when it comes to doing that. We saw his stats. He won tackles, he made many tackles the entire season for the games that he has played for Kaizer Chiefs. That simply means he can play well as a defensive midfield and as a central midfield, and also as an attacking left winger and right wing. But I prefer him as a number 10 because I know what he's capable of doing and offering a Kaizer Chiefs. But Ubanze is a player that I believe if he can sign with the Chiefs, he can give Chiefs that variation in terms of playing a defensive midfielder role, because we know there's a player Usibongiseni Mthethwa. So far nothing is being said about him because his contract is coming to an end with the Kaizer Chiefs, of which I believe if it were up to me, I would love to see him next season. But they would look at things like the impact, look at things like the age, yabo. So it's not clear will he stay or he will be let go by Kaizer Chiefs. But Ibrahim Barnes, I believe if Kaizer Chiefs fail to secure the signature of Isaac Sees, Ibrahim Barnes would be a perfect player that would make our fans with Kaizer Chiefs not to be that disappointed. Because another thing, he is a free agent. It was confirmed. And with the age also on his side, and also his technical ability can help Kaizer Chiefs. And the thing is, I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will be interested in signing players that are forward players. But if they can do that, it will be players that are local, not from outside, abroad, meaning continental. Yabo. But I don't know what you think about these three players. Because one, I believe Mahaman will sign with the Chiefs. But the two, that's where I'm making a recommendation of Ubans. But for Usise, I believe it would be a mountain to climb for Kaizer Chiefs to get Usise. What do you think about all these three players? Whom do you think we need him at Chiefs? And I know you all want Usise. And he's young. But the things that he's doing, it simply means he's well developed, and also his technical ability is very good for a player as young as he is. But it is expected because he's from Ivory Coast, and we know there they produce players that are good. Wilfred Zaha, Didier Drogba, so not Samuel Eto'o. Who's this player? He played for Barcelona also, and his brother foot. Yeah, Imkhohliwe. But they are good players from Ivory Coast. We know the quality.